So my people, question I want to ask. You don't know me always ask question. Come on to know. When JPS turn off the power back to back to back, as soon as it come on, it go off back. Them thing you mash up your appliance. And if you mash up your appliance, JPS I go buy you back one. But I want to know that. Because sometimes you hear the current go off and when it come back on, you hear the fridge make a certain type of tracker, like one car, when you having bad gas in it. And a brand new fridge me have. So I want to know when JPS mash up my appliance, if I can go to JPS and then buy me back my fridge. And another thing, why JPS I move out of all of the office them all over the country? So you have to go call them on phone now. You see how them trick poor people? When you run out of credit, they hang up your phone. So I trick them a trick way. But because we have a government they say no, we people them poor. So we keep in the office, make people them come in and hold face-to-face conversation with them. You see, as long as them get for them money under the table, all is well. But what I always say, my people, be blessed.